सबको लग रहा है कि क्लैरिफिकेशन आ गया तो सब ठीक हो गया है, एग्जिस्टिंग होल्डर्स सेफ हैं, वन टाइम फी है, रिन्यूएबल्स अफेक्टेड नहीं है। भाई तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा है, दिस इज नॉट अ वॉक बैक, दिस इज अ सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक डिस्टिंग्विश्ड एज मर्सी। लेट मी ब्रेक दिस डाउन फॉर यू। ट्रम्प्स टीम इजंट स्टूपिड। अगर वो एग्जिस्टिंग होल्डर्स को भी इमीडिएटली टारगेट करते तो कोर्ट्स में केस होता, यूनिवर्सिटीज प्रोटेस्ट करती, सिलिकॉन वैली में रिवॉल्ट हो जाता। Too much noise, too much legal mess. Instead, they did something much more smart. They left the existing stock untouched, but they choked off the supply pipeline. Now think of it like this. Imagine there's a swimming pool with people inside. Instead of throwing everyone out immediately, they just turned off the water tap. Pool में जो लोग हैं वो swim करते रहेंगे for now, but no new water coming in means slowly the pool dries up. That's exactly what's happening here. See, the H-1B system wasn't just about individual visas. It was an entire ecosystem. Fresh graduates coming in every year, companies planning 2 to 3 year hiring cycles, Indian IT companies bidding for projects based on cheap labor, universities selling pathway to America dreams. By killing the new applications, they've broken the entire chain. Infosys, Wipro, TCS, their stocks have already crashed 5%. Why? Because their business model was built on bringing fresh, cheaper talent every year. Without that, they can't underbid American companies anymore. And universities, why do you think Indian students pay $80,000 for US masters? For education? No. For the H-1B pathway. If the pathway is blocked, enrollment will drop like a stone. And here's the real genius of this move. It's slow poison, not a quick death. Over the next 2-3 years, existing H-1B holders will either get green cards or age out. No fresh supply means the entire cheap labor model collapses. American wages at entry-level STEM jobs will go up because companies can't rely on the visa arbitrage anymore. So all you guys celebrating that existing holders are safe, you're missing the bigger picture. This isn't about the next 6 months. This is about rewiring the entire labor supply chain of America. The fuse has been lit. The explosion will happen in slow motion over 2 to 3 years. And for all the people still planning to go to America, the game has fundamentally changed. That $100,000 fee per new visa, it's not just a cost, it's a statement. We don't want you here. Time to rethink your entire strategy. Because the America that was taking 71% Indians on H-1B, that America is gone. Are you still going to keep planning for yesterday's world, or are you going to adapt to tomorrow's reality?